Oh, I've been waiting all year to come out here. Very excited. I just got tech, but I got a couple things I got to fix to run this one. The other one passed tech, but yeah, gonna enjoy the night. Hopefully it doesn't rain and turn some good times.
Was it mean for me? It's just a blast the whole weekend. Love seeing the old cars downtown. Racing Friday night is a great fun, good social event. Not just for muscle cars, no, it's for anybody with a car addiction. There's a car culture. The young guys with their tuner cars, or if they're driving a brand new car that's right from the factory, nice and quick, or you know, anybody like that. The young guys that are willing to invest in their Hondas, and you know, they get my respect. For me, it's just a wonderful social event where I get to hang out with like-minded people.
It's a big draw for us because a lot of guys come in from out of town and they use this event to run their cars at. And some of these guys only come like once a year, and it's to this event. Well, I mean, for anybody that has any appeal to drag racing, this is like the perfect event, because it's made specifically for street cars that are plated and street driven. They can bring their cars out and run against their buddies and stuff instead of taking them out on the highway. From what I've seen over the years and stuff, it's still constantly growing. We're getting a lot of younger guys out here racing and stuff with newer cars, and this is just a safe place for them to do their thing.
And it's